शिक्षा अधिकार सर्वशिक्षा अभियान सभिए पढ़ंतु सभिए पढ़ंतु। मन रखंतु आपणक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल रो नाम सुपरस्टार्स एक्सप्रेस। प्रत्येक रविवार दिन 10टा पर ठारू उक्त चैनल खोली नुआ नुआ चटापट स्मार्ट कार्यक्रम देखिबार सुजोग नियंतु एवं आमको उत्साहित करंतु। आसंतु एबे आमे पंचम श्रेणी माई इंग्लिश बुक पाठ्यक्रम रे शामिल हेबा।
लेसन 2 राजू एंड द रोस्टर। राजू एवं गंजा। Once there lived a boy named Raju with his parents and grandparents.
एकदा राजू नामक बालकटीए तार पितामाता और जेजेमा और जेजेबापा सहित बास करुथिला।
They had about 2 dozens of hens and roosters.
सेमानंकर 2 डजन कुकुड़ा और गंजा थिले।
And chicks were difficult to count as they were many.
कुकुड़ा छुआ संख्या गणिबा कष्ट थिला जेहेतु सेगुड़िकर अधिक परिमाण रे थिले।
The biggest of the roosters was called King and he had a big red crown.
सबुठारु बड़ गंजा को किंग बोली कुहा जाउथिला कारण तार गोटिए बड़ नाली मुकुटा थिला।
One day King the rooster was in a bad mood.
दिने किंग गंजार मिजाज खराब थिला।
He chased the hens, fought with other roosters and killed many chicks.
से माई कुकुड़ा गुड़ी को गोड़ाइला अन्य गंजा मानक सहित लड़ाई कला एवं अनेक कुकुड़ा छुआ को मारी पकाइला।
Raju's father and grandfather wanted to catch King.
राजूर बापा एवं जेजे बापा किंग को धरिबा को चाहिए।
But King flew off onto the mango tree and sat there all day long singing cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo all the time.
किंतु किंग गोटी आंब गछ ऊपर को चढ़ीगला एवं दिन सारा सेठारे बसी सबुबेले गाउथिला राबुथिला कक्को डुडुल डू डुडुल डू डुडुल डू। एक विशेष सूचना। नमस्कार। एतद्वारा समस्त विद्यार्थी माननकु सूचई दिया जाउछि कि आपण माने नूतन दर्शक होइथिबारु प्रथमे नाली अक्षर रे थिबा सब्सक्राइब बटन टिकु टिपंतु। तापरे सब्सक्राइब पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन घंटी टिकु दबाई दियंतु। शेषरे ऑल लेखा होइथिबा घंटी टिकु टिपि दियंतु।
एभली करिबा द्वारा आपण आमर समस्त शिक्षा प्रोग्राम देखि परिबे। फर्स्ट राजू's mother tried to catch the rooster.
प्रथमे राजूर माँ गंजा धरिबा को चेष्टा कले।
She brought some grains of rice and threw the rice on the ground.
से किछि चाउल दाना आनिले एवं चाउल को भूमि उपरे पकाई देले।
She said, King, my dear king, come down dear and have some grains of rice.
से कहिले किंग मो प्रिय किंग तळुकु आस एवं किछि चाउल दाना खाओ।
King did not move an inch and said, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, no, no, no.
किंग इंचे भी घुंचिला नहीं एवं कहिला कक्को डुडुल डू ना ना ना।
Second, Raju's father tried to catch King the rooster.
द्वितीय रे राजूर बापा गंजा किंग को धरिबा को चेष्टा कले।
He brought some grains of wheat and threw them on the ground.
से किछि गहम दाना आनिले एवं सेगुडी को भूमि उपरे पकाई देले।
He said, King, my dear king, come down dear and have some grains of wheat.
से कहिले किंग मो प्रिय किंग तळुकु आस एवं किछि चाउल दाना खाओ।
King did not move an inch and said, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, no, no, no.
किंग इंचे भी घुंचिला नहीं एवं कहिला कक्कू डुडुल डू ना ना ना।
Third, the grandfather tried to catch the rooster.
ତୃତୀୟରେ ଜେଜେବାପା ଗଞ୍ଜାଟିକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ।
He brought some loaves of bread and threw them on the ground.
ସେ କିଛି ରୁଟି ଖଣ୍ଡ ଆଣିଲେ ଏବଂ ଚଟାଣ ଉପରେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପକାଇଦେଲେ।
He said, King, my dear king, come down dear and have some crumbs of rice.
ସେ କହିଲେ, କିଙ୍ଗ, ହେ ମୋର ପ୍ରିୟ କିଙ୍ଗ, ହେ ପ୍ରିୟ, ତଳକୁ ଆସ ଏବଂ କିଛି ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଟୁକୁଡ଼ା ଖାଅ।
King did not move an inch and said, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, no, no, no.
କିଙ୍ଗ ଇଞ୍ଚେ ବି ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଲା ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ କହିଲା, କକ୍କୁ ଡୁଡୁଲଡୁ, କକ୍କୁ ଡୁଡୁଲଡୁ, ନା ନା ନା।
Finally, Raju came with a small old basket full of cockroaches.
ପରିଶେଷରେ ରାଜୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଛୋଟ ପୁରୁଣା ଟୋକେଇ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ଅସରପା ନେଇ ଆସିଲା।
He knew well that what rascals are to men, cockroaches are to hens.
ରସଗୋଲା ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଯେପରି ମଣିଷମାନଙ୍କର ପସନ୍ଦ, ସେହିପରି ଅସରପା ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କୁକୁଡ଼ାମାନଙ୍କର ପସନ୍ଦ ବୋଲି ସେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିଥିଲା।
He also knew well that King had been pampered a lot by his mother, father and grandfather.
ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିଥିଲା ଯେ ତାର ମା, ବାପା ଓ ଜେଜେବାପାଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା କିଙ୍ଗ ଖୁବ୍ ଗେଲା କରାଯାଇଥିଲା।
So he did not call him at all.
ତେଣୁ ସେ ତାକୁ ଆଦୌ ଡାକିନଥିଲା।
He just showed him the basket and opened it.
ସେ କେବଳ ତାକୁ ଟୋକେଇଟିକୁ ଦେଖାଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଏହାକୁ ଖୋଲି ଦେଇଥିଲା।
King from the top of the tree saw some cockroaches crawling out of the basket.
କିଙ୍ଗ କିଛି ଅସରପା ଟୋକେଇରୁ ଗୁରୁଣ୍ଡି ଗୁରୁଣ୍ଡି ବାହାରୁଥିବାର ଗଛ ଉପରୁ ଦେଖିଲା।
He could not wait any longer.
ସେ ଆଉ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ।
He flew down the mango tree in no time and sat near Raju.
କମ୍ ସମୟ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସେ ଆମ୍ବ ଗଛ ତଳକୁ ଉଡ଼ି ଆସିଲା ଓ ରାଜୁ ପାଖରେ ବସି ପଡ଼ିଲା।
As he tried to swallow some from the basket, Raju caught him easily and the rooster had little time to say cock-a-doodle-doo.
ଯେମିତି ସେ ଟୋକେଇରୁ କିଛି ଅସରପା ଗିଳିଦେବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା, ରାଜୁ ତାକୁ ଅତି ସହଜରେ ଧରି ପକାଇଲା ଏବଂ ଗଞ୍ଜା ପାଖରେ କକ୍-ଓ-ଡୁଡୁଲ-ଡୁ କହିବାକୁ ଖୁବ୍ କମ୍ ସମୟ ଥିଲା।
Questions with answers. Who did Raju live with? Raju କାହା ସହିତ ବାସ କରୁଥିଲା?
ରାଜୁ lived with his parents and grandparents.
How many hens and roosters they had? ସେମାନଙ୍କର କେତୋଟି ମାଇ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଗଞ୍ଜା ଥିଲେ?
They had 2 dozens of hens and roosters.
Why was it difficult to count the chicks? କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଛୁଆ ଗଣିବା କାହିଁକି କଷ୍ଟକର ଥିଲା?
It was difficult to count the chicks because they were many.
What was the name of the biggest rooster? ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ଗଞ୍ଜାର ନାମ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
The name of the biggest rooster was King.
Why was he called king? ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁକି king କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା?
He was called king because he had a big red crown.
What did king do when he was in a bad mood? king କ'ଣ କଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାର ମିଜାଜ ଖରାପ ଥିଲା?
When King was in bad mood, he chased the hens, fought with other roosters and killed many chicks.
Who tried to catch king? king କୁ ଧରିବାକୁ କିଏ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ?
Raju's father and grandfather tried to catch King.
Why did they fail to catch king? ସେମାନେ king କୁ ଧରିବାକୁ କାହିଁକି ବିଫଳ ହେଲେ?
They failed to catch King because it flew off onto a mango tree. It sat there all day long.
What did the rooster do all day long? ଦିନ ତମାମ ଗଞ୍ଜା କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲା?
The rooster sang cock-a-doodle-doo all day long.
Who tried to catch the rooster at first? ପ୍ରଥମେ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ କିଏ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ?
At first, Raju's mother tried to catch the rooster.
How did she try to catch the rooster? ସେ କିପରି ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ?
She tried to catch the rooster throwing some rice on the ground.
Was she able to catch the rooster? ସେ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ସଫଳ ହେଲେ କି?
No, she was not able to catch the rooster.
Who tried to catch king in the second time? କିଏ king କୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟାୟରେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ?
Raju's father tried to catch King in the second time.
How did he try? ସେ କିପରି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ?
he tried throwing some grains of wheat on the ground.
Was he able to catch the rooster? ସେ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ସକ୍ଷମ ହେଲେ କି?
No, he was not able to catch the rooster.
Who tried next to catch the rooster? ତାପରେ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ କିଏ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ?
The grandfather tried next to catch the rooster.
What did Raju bring for king? ରାଜୁ king ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଆଣିଲା?
Raju brought a basket full of cockroaches for king.
Who pampered king a lot? କିଏ king କୁ ବହୁତ ଗେଲା କରିଥିଲା?
Raju's mother, father, grandfather pampered king a lot.
Why did king the rooster come down? king ଗଞ୍ଜା କାହିଁକି ତଳକୁ ଆସିଲା?
King, the rooster came down to eat the cockroaches.
Who is more clever, the grown up persons or the young boy? କିଏ ଅଧିକ ଚାଲାକ, ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକମାନେ ନା ଅଳ୍ପ ବୟସ୍କ ପିଲାଟି?
The young boy is more clever.
Comprehension activity, ବୋଧ ଶକ୍ତି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାବଳୀ. Complete the sentence with correct alternative. Raju lived with, ରାଜୁ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ସହିତ ବାସ କରୁଥିଲା, his father, mother, grandparents, all of them.
All of them.
They had, ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଥିଲା one rooster, dozen of hens, many chicks, a dozen of hens, roosters and many chicks.
A dozen of hens, roosters, and many chicks.
One day king, ଦିନେ king chased cows, fought with Raju, killed a hen, killed many chicks.
Killed many chicks.
Who was successful in catching king? କିଏ king କୁ ଧରିବାର ସଫଳ ଥିଲା? mother, Raju, father, grandfather.
Raju.
Who gave what to king? mother, rice, grandfather, bread, Raju, cockroach, father, wheat. Make sentences.
Answer. Mother gave rice to king. Grandfather gave bread to king. Raju gave cockroach to king. Father gave wheat to king.
Fill in the gaps. First, Raju's dash tried to dash the rooster. She brought some grains of dash and threw the dash on the dash.
Answer. First, Raju, mother, tried to catch the rooster. She brought some grains of rice and threw the rice on the ground.
Vocabulary. Look at the pictures. They are not of the same size. Different words are used to describe them. ଛବିଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଦେଖ, ସେମାନେ ଏକା ଆକାର ନୁହନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହାର ହୋଇଛି. ସ୍ମଲ୍, ବିଗ୍, ବିଗର୍, ବିଗେଷ୍ଟ. ସ୍ମଲ୍, ବିଗ୍, bigger, biggest. Roaster 1 is small, roaster 2 is big, roaster 3 is bigger, roaster 4 is the biggest of all. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କଠୁ ବଡ଼କୁ କହନ୍ତି biggest of all. Vocabulary.
Tommy is a small dog. Tommy ଗୋଟିଏ ଛୋଟ କୁକୁର. Jackie is bigger than Tommy. Jackie Tommy ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼. Rocky is bigger than Jackie. Rocky Jackie ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼. Motu is the biggest of all. Motu ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ଅଟେ. Minnie is a small cat. Minnie ଗୋଟିଏ ଛୋଟ ବିଲେଇ. Tinny is bigger than Minnie. Tinny Minnie ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼. Vinny is bigger than Tinny. Vinny Tinny ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼. Ginny is the biggest of all. Ginny ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼.
Remember, tall, taller, tallest, wise, wiser, wisest, small, smaller, smallest, fast, faster, fastest, thick, thicker, thickest, happy, happier, happiest, short, shorter, shortest. Uses ବ୍ୟବହାର. Mark the following sentence. What ରସଗୋଲାs are to men, cockroaches are to hens. ମଣିଷମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ରସଗୋଲା ଯାହା, ମାଇ କୁକୁଡ଼ାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅସରପା ତାହା. Now use the hints to write similar sentence. Grass, cow, milk, cat.
Answer. What grass is to the cow, milk is to the cat. ଗାଈ ପାଇଁ ଘାସ ଯାହା ବିଲେଇ ପାଇଁ କ୍ଷୀର ତାହା।
balloon, children, dolls, babies.
What balloons are to the children, dolls are to the babies. ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବେଲୁନ୍ ଯାହା ଛୋଟ ଶିଶୁଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କଣ୍ଢେଇ ତାହା।
Kitten, cat, puppy, dog. ବିଲେଇ ଛୁଆ ବିଲେଇ କୁକୁର ଛୁଆ କୁକୁର।
What kitten is to the cat, puppy is to the dog.
Fill in the blanks. Do you know, my dear, what happened the other day? Our king Dash was in a dash. He flew up to the dash tree and did not come down. My daughter-in-law gave him rice. He did not come dash. My dash gave him dash. He dashed. But when my grandson Raju gave him dash, he dashed down. Raju is a very dash boy. He was cleverer than his dash and dash.
Our king Rooster was in a bad mood. He flew up to the mango tree and did not come down. My daughter-in-law gave him rice. He did not come down. My son gave him wheat. He did not come down. But when my grandson Raju gave him cockroaches, he came down. Raju is a very clever boy. He was cleverer than his father, mother and grandfather.
Follow lesson ଅନୁସୃତ ପାଠ। How clever small children are. ଛୋଟ ପିଲାମାନେ କେତେ ଚାଲାକ। Text reading. A father wanted to give medicine to his 3-year son Pintu. ଜଣେ ବାପା ତାଙ୍କର 3 ବର୍ଷର ପୁଅ ପିଣ୍ଟୁକୁ ଔଷଧ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ। The tablet of the medicine was very bitter. ଔଷଧ ବଟିକାଟି ଖୁବ୍ ପିତା ଥିଲା। ପିଣ୍ଟୁ would not take it. What to do? ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ଏହାକୁ ଖାଇବ ନାହିଁ। କ'ଣ କରାଯିବ? The tablet of the medicine was very bitter. ଔଷଧ ବଟିକାଟି ଖୁବ୍ ପିତା ଥିଲା। The father thought of a novel plan. ବାପା ଏକ ନୂଆ ଯୋଜନା ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ। ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ଲାଇକ୍ଡ ବାନାନା ଭେରି ମଚ୍। ପିଣ୍ଟୁ କଦଳୀକୁ ଖୁବ୍ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲା। ଫାଦର ଦେୟାରଫର୍ ପୁଟ୍ ଦ ଟାବଲେଟ୍ ଇନସାଇଡ୍ ଏ ରାଇପ୍ ବାନାନା ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗେଭ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ଟୁ ଇଟ୍। ତେଣୁ ବାପା ଏକ ପାଚିଲା କଦଳୀ ଭିତରେ ବଟିକାଟିକୁ ରଖି ତାକୁ ପିଣ୍ଟୁକୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେଲେ। ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ଟୁକ୍ ଦ ବାନାନା ଟୁ ଇଟ୍ while playing with his friends. ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହ ଖେଳୁଥିବା ବେଳେ କଦଳୀଟି ଖାଇବାକୁ ନେଲା। When he came back from play, father asked Pintu, did you eat the banana? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଖେଳରୁ ଫେରିଲା ବାପା ପଚାରିଲେ ତୁ କ'ଣ କଦଳୀ ଖାଇଲୁ? Yes, Papa, replied Pintu, but there was a seed inside the banana. ହଁ ବାପା, ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ କଦଳୀ ଭିତରେ ମଞ୍ଜିଟିଏ ଥିଲା। I threw it out, added Pintu. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କାଢ଼ି ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଲି, ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ଏହା ମଧ୍ୟ କହିଲା। Questions with answers. What is the story about? ଏ ଗପଟି କେଉଁ ବିଷୟରେ? The story is about a clever boy named Pintu. What is the son's name? ପୁଅର ନାମ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? The son's name is Pintu. Did Pintu have any health problems? How do you know? ପିଣ୍ଟୁର କୌଣସି ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ ସମସ୍ୟା ଥିଲା କି? ତୁମେ କିପରି ଜାଣୁଛ? Yes, Pintu had some health problems. We know it as he was given a tablet to eat. What was the father's novel plan? ବାପାଙ୍କର ଅଭିନବ ଯୋଜନାଟି କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? Father's novel plan was to put the tablet inside a ripe banana and give it to Pintu to eat. What did he put inside the ripe banana? ସେ ପାଚିଲା କଦଳୀ ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ରଖିଲେ? He put the tablet inside the ripe banana. Did Pintu eat the tablet with the banana? Pintu କଦଳୀ ସହ ବଟିକାଟି ଖାଇଲା କି? No, Pintu did not eat the tablet with the banana. Who is clever? Father or son? କିଏ ଚାଲାକ? ବାପା ନା ପୁଅ? ଦ ସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ କ୍ଲେଭର।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍।
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରତି ରବିବାର ଦିନ 10ଟା ପରେ ଦେଖିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇବେ ଅନେକ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଧାରାବାହିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଯଥା ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବକ୍ତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଅଭିନେତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ଓ ଆହୁରି ଅନେକ ଅନେକ। ପ୍ରତିଭାବାନ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକ ଶୁଭ ଖବର। ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କୌଣସି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପ୍ରତିଭା ଥାଏ ତେବେ ଆମ ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବରରେ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆମ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ପ୍ରତିଭା ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବୁ। ବୟସ 2 ବର୍ଷରୁ 18 ବର୍ଷ।